calculating the number of times the particular song has been ranked at the top, because that is what they want us to show in the output. Now, how do we calculate this? By using the aggregate function count. Hi everyone, welcome to the series Solving SQL Interview Questions. In this video, we'll be solving an SQL interview question asked at Spotify. So the problem that we are solving today is top ranked songs. Find songs that have ranked in the top position, output the track name and the number of times it ranked at the top. Sort your records by the number of times the song was in the top position in descending order. And the table that they have given us is Spotify Worldwide Daily Song Ranking. Let us have a quick look at all the columns that are present in this table. It has ID, position, track name, which I believe is the song name, artist, streams, URL, date, and region. Now, the first step of our approach in solving an SQL query is understanding the inputs and the outputs. So, in the question, they're asking us to find the songs that have ranked in the top position. So, my inputs are going to be the track name and the position. What are my outputs? Output the track name and the number of times it ranked at the top. And they finally asked us to sort the records by the number of times that particular song has been ranked in the top position in the descending order. So these are going to be my inputs and the outputs. Now the second step of our approach is articulating a solution verbally to the interviewer. In our question, the first part was to find the songs that have been in the top position, right? And how do we calculate that? By using the track name and the position column. And in the where clause, I can specify that, position is equal to top or position is equal to 1, depending upon how the position column is. I can filter out first the songs that have been in the top position. And the second part is calculating the number of times the particular song has been ranked at the top, because that is what they want us to show in the output. Now, how do we calculate this? By using the aggregate function count. So count will tell us how many times a particular song has been ranked at the top, and I will group by this track name so that for each song, I'll be able to figure out how many times that song has been ranked as top 1. And finally, they've also asked us to order by this count in the descending order. So this is going to be my approach. Now, the third step of our approach is constructing the query step by step. And the first part of our query construction is identifying the list of songs that are in the top position from the total number of songs in the table. Now, before we use the position column in the where clause, I just simply want to see how the position column is in the table. So I'm simply just going to execute this select star from the table name, run code. Okay, as you can see, the position is given by the numbers 175, 25, 1. So I believe in the where clause, when we are specifying the position column, we have to say position is equal to 1 so that we can get all the songs that are in the top position. So I'm going to say select track name from this particular table name where position is equal to 1, and then I'm going to execute. And as you can see, seems like these are the only tracks which have been ranked as 1. Now the second part of our query construction is getting the output column which contains the total number of times a particular song has been ranked as the top song. So I'm going to say comma count is the aggregate function we are using of the track name from this particular table, and I'm going to say where position equal to 1, and I'm going to group by track name and order by, I'll just give this an alias name so that it's easier for me to order it by count of track name as total count. I'm going to say order by total count in the descending order. As you can see, this is the output which contains the track name and the total number of times a particular song has been ranked as top. Seems like Humble is the one that has had the maximum number of times ranked as top. So yeah, that is how you approach this kind of question. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.